Hello, friend. How are you? I'm so glad that you're here. Have you ever felt like your life is scattered? Like little fragments that don't quite make sense yet? Maybe even all those piles of paper that are just growing and growing. But what if those pieces were the point? I'm Lynette Melnick, artist, educator, and creative empowerment coach. And today I want to share how these blue layers tell a bigger story. Not just of paint and paper, but presence, creativity, and being human. And this isn't just about art. It's about gathering. And I'm trying something a little different today. So instead of just talking to you, I want to do something with my hands while I share, or at least to show you, because I find it's easier to think and connect when my hands are busy, and maybe you feel the same way too. So this is going to be a mix of me playing with the papers, creating them, making marks, while I share a few thoughts on what this kind of gathering means, and not just in art, but in how we move through life. And before we dive in, I want to let you know there's a free workshop available to spark your creative voice. You can check it out in the link below, and it's a simple, soulful way to reconnect with your own process. So let's continue. What you're seeing is a collection, a group of different blue papers, marks, textures, and ideas. Each one is a little world on its own. Some rough, some smooth, some bold, some soft. Individually, they're unique and whole, but gathered together, they become a kind of chorus. Different voices coming together to sing in blue, or maybe sing the blues. Creativity isn't always about making one perfect piece. Sometimes it's about collecting, finding, saving, and honoring these little pieces that speak to us. And just like those papers, our ideas and feelings don't always come all at once or in a neat order, which I really wish they would, but they don't. They come in fragments, flashes, scraps of inspiration that we gather over time. And that's a beautiful, honest process for us to realize. And I think of life a lot like this collection of papers. We're made up of countless moments, some bright and clear, some textured with complexity, and some layered with memories and emotions. Each movement, it can stand alone, but together they form the bigger story of who we are. We're sometimes messy, sometimes beautiful, but we're always evolving, always changing. And there's a power of presence in this gathering. Gathering these pieces asks for us for patience. Patience to notice what catches your eye, patience to hold space for the messy and the imperfect. I think it's an invitation to be present with the art, with your feelings, with yourself. And you don't have to rush to make sense of it all or turn it into something finished. Just being with the pieces. That's where the magic happens. Looking at the details, looking at the subtleties, taking it all in. And you may ask, why blue? Well, if you know me, I have never met a blue that I have not liked. So I just chose this to do blue just because I love it. But blue also, it's often called the color of calm, but to me, it is more than that. It's vast and deep, like the sky or like the depths of the ocean. It holds contradictions in its immensity and mysteries. It can be the color of quiet reflection and of endless possibility. And when I gather blue pieces, I'm gathering a feeling. And it's really emotional because I really love blue. And so it is that feeling in there. And it's a space where everything can live without pressure. It doesn't have to be fixed or explained. I can just be present with it because it just makes me smile. And when you're ready, gather your abstract layers and the pieces of your bigger story, your ideas, your feelings, your imperfect sketches, your memories. Let them live together without judgment. Because the process of gathering is where creativity breathes and grows. And even if you never finish the big picture, the collection itself is meaningful and alive. And that's truly what it's all about, is this experience. And thanks for being here with me today. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I love reading them. And if this spoke to you, like and subscribe and also share it with somebody who might need permission to gather their own pieces within their life or within their art. And if you're looking for ways to go... Obviously that phone call was a sign that you need to share this with someone who needs to gather their pieces of their art or their story. And that's too funny, timing. And so if you're looking, now I have to get back onto what I was going to try and tell you. But if you're looking for ways to go deeper into your own work, maybe it's through reflection, maybe it's through laughter and intuitive art and layering, then you can visit my website, and there you'll see workshops and any creative offerings that I have. And it's designed to help you connect with your own story. So for now, keep gathering, keep creating, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.